This video demonstrates how to use the Ecsow dialer software. Double-click the downloaded software to begin the installation. After installation, you'll need to configure your SIP account. This example uses the local phone SIP provider, but you can use any other SIP provider. First, log into your SIP provider's website and find your SIP account information. The local phone account is located here. Then in the Ecsow dialer menu, click Tools Options and click the SIP account tab. You can then copy your SIP account information into the Ecsow dialer. Please modify the concurrent line options in the Ecsow dialer based on the concurrent line supported by your SIP. Now, you can insert a phone number for testing. Here, I've inserted a test number, 804-222-1111. You also need to set the country code for the phone number in the options. In this example, I'm using country code 1. Now, you can click the Start Dialing button to make a test call. For more information on settings, please visit our knowledge base and FAQ. Thank you for watching.